the last home renovation video that we did, we finished my new desk and I'm slowly getting it put back together. Today we are going to work on the kids' craft corner. So this is a shelf that we had for them before, and it had all their craft supplies on it, but not really all of them. And it was working for now, or temporarily, but today we're going to fix it to where it's not temporarily. Then we also have some boxes of books that we packed aside for now because we have digital copies of them, and just items that we don't have room for storage, but we don't want to put like in an outside shed or anything that we don't even have yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to be building a shelf today to go right here in front of the boxes of books that we don't need right now, and we're going to build it up higher and have room for all of their little pretty crates that are organized. And then the girls and I, once the shelves are built, go back through and reorganize all this and finish it up. That is our next project for in here. And also, like you can see, you know, my old desk is now over here, and we're working on getting it finished up, but slowly but surely it's getting done. Alright, we were both kind of working different jobs this one. Talk me through the basic, how you did this one.
Alright, so I made a shelf for the girls to put art supplies on. Basically, I've made the shelves removable by using some pegs underneath the shelves. But that's ready to go where it goes.
But the top and bottom are screwed in.
Yeah, the top and bottom are all screwed in. So I basically built the frame and then I put the pegs in.
And then the back is not connected to the shelves that can come out. It's just connected to the actual frame here. It's
a little out of square.
But it's fun. Well, that's one way to do what?
Huh?
What'd you say? Sweep and vacuum it. You did good. I like it. Now all I gotta do is get the girls in here to organize their shelves. They can each have their own shelf.
Technically.
I mean, they do different crafts anyways. Yeah, all of that to there. So a long and full day's work. We finished up, or Matt finished the shelf. I was doing some other things that needed done around the yard and things. He pretty much did the shelf by himself, and it holds all the baskets very nicely. Let's start with, so this bag has like looming kits for Madeline. This has their those little rubber bands that you make bracelets with are in there, and they're sorted by color. This is a kit for Rebecca, and then this is a craft kit for Madeline that she hasn't finished yet, and then this is her artistry kit that she has. All the painting stuff fit in here with a jar just for paintbrushes, except for Matt's. I try to keep Matt's paintbrushes separate from the kids, so that he has really nice ones, and we just don't want them mixed up, and you know, and if any accidents happen, so it just makes it easier. This has a bag of pine cones in it for crafts, stickers, and I'm eventually going to label all these. For now, I'm just really happy with them same colors. Stickers. This has all of Rebecca's Kumi Himo in it. And then let's get down here. And this one is all of Madeline's felt animals. And I don't know why that bag is coming out. But like, it has large pieces of felt down here. The smaller pieces that are cut up, sorted by color here. Bag of stuffing, has her pins in it. Her book is actually with the craft books in the new library corner, which I'll do a video on another day, where we redid the school corner. It's now a library corner, but I moved her book out there so that it wouldn't get mixed up with the craft stuff in here. This is another kit. This is Sarah's. It's a it's just like mini wooden kits. There's a wind chime. There's a little windmill you can make. I apologize for being stuffy. This is a project that Sarah is working on. This is a whole basket of beads that was given to me by my friend who also has a bakery. So I sorted them all by, see if I can get it to focus, not in my very bright light that I have on in here right now because it's already dark right now. But yeah, all of these are sorted in little icing containers. These are the letter ones, and they're all sorted by color. There's also some bigger containers in here that have multiple kinds in there. Little beads, big beads, anything beads go in there. And then there's also like a pair of tweezers for beads. This is all of our stationery and small scrapbook die cut pieces and extra cards and things just for letter making. And then this is Madeline's sewing basket. So she has like a no-sew blanket that's actually in here with sewing stuff that she needs to finish. And then she also has like patterns and sewing pieces in here. And then this Ziploc has a bracelet kit she hasn't finished yet. And then this has some clay that we haven't had a chance to play with yet. These are Madeline's fine tip brushes for non-acrylic paints. Or is it acrylic? It's not acrylic. Non-acrylic paints. These are for her non-acrylic paints. And then I don't really like it, but for now the scrapbooking stuff, like the empty scrapbooks and the really large paper, are right here in the corner, just in the floor. But it fits nicely in here. My old desk is back where it was, up against the window, but we can look out the window and I can have one child at a time in here doing crafts while I'm over here at my new amazing desk working. I just kind of laid the laptop there. We haven't plugged it up yet, and the tripod was up because I've been doing I'm trying to get back into doing the weekly Wednesday Disney videos. So I've been trying to film a bunch of those at one time to answer all the questions that we've been getting. So the tripod was set up in here before we started working, but I am like super happy with the projects that we got done today. But I'm thrilled. The girls were so excited to come in here and see all of their stuff neatly organized, and I just went ahead and organized it for them and sorted it out for them because they were working pretty hard today while we were working too, although it sounds like now they're ready for bed. But that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button at the bottom, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when we upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.